guys, welcome back to JCL Lifestyle. I'm Jamie and today is Tech Thursday. We will be doing an unboxing of my battery pack. Yes, for my M50. So here's the issue. The M50 has a battery life issue, even though it's like so amazing. That's like one of the small cons of it. And so you need extra batteries on the go, especially if you're a vlogger. Because when you're on the go, it can't be like, oh, this is like an awesome shot and ray. And then yeah, I can't get the shot because my battery dead. So yeah, that's why I decided to buy the battery pack. So I researched and I found this battery pack called the Wasabi Power Kit. So let's see what's inside. It came with 2 batteries. And then it has the cord. This is the cord you can plug into any USB section. So it can be used on the go as well. And then we have the base for the power pack. So let me show you I'm going to show you how I think it's supposed to go. So yeah, no, and that's all. Yes, that's all. Lord, excuse my clumsiness. Here. So guys, funny story, while shooting the battery died. So as you can see, I have the Canon battery in here and I placed one of the power pack batteries in the camera, and guess what? It came fully charged. Yeah, amazing. Let us continue. So I guess you just take off this little stringy stuff here, and then we would, where is the plug-in area? Yes, the plug-in area over here. You plug it in and then you just plug it directly. I guess you can plug it to your laptop, you can plug it to any USB connection. So as I say, it's good for on-the-go movements. So that is the power pack here, and then it has little lights here, so you can see which one when it's fully charged. I guess it turns green or when it's ready, dead, obviously. This box didn't come with any instructions. I guess they figured it is very self-explanatory. They don't have nothing under here specific. They just said insert the 2 batteries to charge. Oh, and yeah, so it's down here. It says it is red when it's charged and green when it's fully charged. And guys, thank you for watching my unboxing of this battery pack. I'm gonna put the link for where you can get this at the bottom. This is not a sponsored video. I just need proper batteries for when I'm on the go, being a vlogger. So if you're a vlogger and you have your M50, this is a great battery pack for you. I'm already endorsing them because the battery came fully charged when I needed it. So that was good. And thank you guys for watching my channel. Until the next tech unboxing or review. Dun, 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 dun.